Hey, what's up guys, this is Castion and today I'm gonna start a track from zero exclusively for you for my 7, 8, 9, 10.com pack. So let's start by this. First of all, we've got the projects over here and we're going to put 126 BPM. It's my favorite BPM for future house. So yeah, let's keep it like this. And then we've got the 7, 8, 9, 10.com pack. And as you can see, we've got a lot of things over here. So let's start by the kick. Let's choose one kick. First of all, we're going to listen to every kick. So we are going to choose the best one for this project. So let's go. Okay, I'm gonna choose the kick number 2, like this. Okay, cool. Then let's put a clap. Okay, love this. So I'm gonna put directly, okay, the chains that I've got some chains ready, like the kick, the lead, the bass, and the master chain. I've got it ready for you for mixing this kind of style, okay, this kind of tracks, the kind of heavy future house tracks, you know. And I've got already like the kick chain over here. I'm gonna open it. Okay, and we're going to put the clap. I'm gonna explain the process, you know, later when we've got the processing of the track already. Okay, like the idea itself ready. And I will be explaining all the processing in every element. So don't worry about it. Let's see. Okay, then we got this. Maybe I'll layer more claps in some minutes, you know, when we've got the idea, but don't worry. Let's open a Serum. Let's put a bass from my sample pack. Let's start diving. Yeah, this one. This is the bass that I use the most into my productions, and I loved that. Put it in the pack for you, so you can also create new rhythms, new vibes with your music, with my new sound, you know, with my bass sound. Sorry. And yeah, I'm gonna turn down the distortion because it's too much for me. I'm gonna put in the mixer. I'm gonna open the mix channel of the bass. Okay. Let's go. So let's start doing the melody. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open also the second bass line, because I'm gonna make a track like Voices in My Head, that is one of my fans' favorite tracks from all the time from Castion, you know. So I'm gonna make a track like this so you can see how I did the track itself. Okay, so let's put all the bass line. Let's see. Okay, this is all the bass line. Okay, I'm going to put it like this, but I'm going to play higher. Okay, then Okay, I'll put it like this. I'm gonna put an effect or something like this, like a stop or something, so I can get more inspiration for it. Like this. So okay. Okay, I'm gonna put the lead. Let's name it like bass. And then open a new one called lead. Okay. Castion, and I think it was the last one they record, right? So you know the presets. This is the last one. Yeah. Okay, this is the legend, the legendary preset from Voices in My Head. So, okay. This here, turn down the volume. And let's open the mix chain of the lead. I will explain later, don't worry. Okay. And then it sounds awful like this. Why? Because we need to make an automation of the LFO right here, right now, the rates, okay? What's on this? We're gonna make an automation. And it's time to play! Yay! Okay, to put it like this. Okay, I think it works better like this. Okay, this is the first thing I do with the lead. Okay, when I need to create the rhythm of the lead, I always make an automation of the LFO, and that's how it works. Actually, a bit more, maybe. Okay, let's keep it like this for now. I will make it even more later, but then we can put some the reverb. Okay, I'm gonna make the automation of the reverb. Okay, so we can get like extra kind of body of the sound when it's ended the alpha wall, you know, so it doesn't sound that empty, you know. It's like this. I don't know, it's not sounding right. Let's experiment a bit.